Hello, good day. Discussion topic: paracetamol. Paracetamol, called as acetaminophen. It is one of the most widely used over-the-counter pain relievers and fever reducers. It is medications known as analgesics, pain relievers, and antipyretics, fever reducers. Paracetamol is available in various forms like as tablets, capsules, liquid suspensions, and suppositories. Its effectiveness in managing mild to moderate pain like headaches, toothaches, muscle aches, and menstrual cramps. Additionally, it is commonly used to reduce fever associated with illnesses like colds, flu, and infections. It is less effective in reducing inflammation caused by conditions like arthritis and gout. Paracetamol works by inhibiting the production of prostaglandins, which are chemicals in the body that contribute to pain and fever. When taken as directed, paracetamol is generally considered safe for most people. However, it is important to follow dosage instructions carefully to avoid overdose, as excessive intake can lead to liver damage. Individuals with liver problems or who consume alcohol regularly should consult a healthcare professional before using paracetamol, while paracetamol is widely available without a prescription. Finally, paracetamol is a popular and effective medication for relieving pain and reducing fever. Thanks for watch. Goodbye.